Check it out if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you. I really, really mean it.
Hello friends, and welcome back to r/Pro Revenge. Today we have one more set of great revenge stories, but before we start, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss a new video every single day. And our first story. Le Chef won't take advice to improve ice cream, so I take matters into my own hands. For the past 10 years, I've been working BOH in fine dining restaurants. I love learning, and I love all things about food. Because of this, I've had a variety of positions in many establishments, learning a pretty diverse set of skills. I bake bread, been a line dog, pastry chef, sous chef, executive chef, all the things. So 6 months ago, I decided I wanted to try something different and began to enjoy my life. I didn't want where I work to define me anymore, because I'm a human and have other things that I enjoy. So I accepted a position at a small local dairy and began to learn cheese making. It's been great. I've been able to work on my house/garden and spend so much time with my dogs, but admittedly, I do miss the kitchen, so I agreed 2 months ago to help out a few ex-co-workers who are the respective chef and sous chef in a new restaurant with a pretty cool concept. In the spirit of trying to maintain my new relaxed life, I agreed to only work 2 days a week. Now, a weekend, my new boss, Le Chef, asked me to please make some ice cream following his recipe. He'd made a small batch already and gave me a bite to try. He said it's a bit hard, but I think that's just because of the temperature of the freezer. I took a bite, and while the flavor was nice, the texture was off. Hard, icy, and chalky. He gave me his recipe, and I could immediately spot the problem. For those of you who haven't made a lot of ice cream, there are a few things that makes a really great ice cream. Yolks, sugar, fat, air. Yolks are tempered in and help bind the sugar/liquid/fat together. The sugar content helps lower the freezing point of the mix, preventing it from freezing into a solid blob. As it's churning, air is added to the base, and the yolks help hold that air in place, making the ice cream lighter. They also add fat and make for a really rich ice cream. Commercial ice creams often skimp on the yolks and use stabilizers to help hold the air inside the ice cream. This specific recipe had only 4 yolks and 110 grams of sugar per quart of liquid, milk or cream mix. A pretty standard recipe would have at least 6 yolks and 250 grams of sugar. I tried to point this out to Le Chef, also pointing out that his ice cream machine was a 2-quart gelato spinner, which inherently spins slower and therefore incorporates less air. I offered to troubleshoot the base and make a few test batches so we could really bring this ice cream home. The chef gives me a funny look, says the recipe is fine, and instructs me to make a large batch of it. So I do. The following week, the chef asked me to work on a new flavor of ice cream and just to use his base recipe and add flavor until it's right. I'm sick of watching the poor girl who has to scoop the ice cream struggle with a rock at this point, and also annoyed that the ice cream I made a week ago is hard, icy, and chalky. So I decide to ignore it and make a base that I know will be killer. The next day we spin it up, and it is luxurious. Smooth, creamy, all the things. The owner of the restaurant makes a comment about how fantastic it is. I explained to a fellow co-worker, Sue, what I changed. And I guess he tried to tell Le Chef that I'd made some adjustments, but Le Chef refuses to believe him. In the meantime, Le Chef makes more ice cream bakes, and they continue to come out crappy. Mutual co-worker tells me Le Chef is getting upset that he can't make ice cream as nice as me, and still refuses to ask me why. I try to explain ice cream science to him the next day, and am met with a wall of knowledge. 4 yolks is fine, and the freezer is too cold. At this point, I'm frustrated, because I think learning and sharing is key to everyone's success. Better product makes for happier customers. I also don't want to make anything that's crappy and have Le Chef be able to say that I'm the responsible party, so I go full revenge. I begin to use my favorite ice cream recipe, which calls for a whopping 12 yolks per quart. I add a splash of appropriate liquor and sub out some of the sugar for an inverted sugar, all done super low-key. I don't tell anyone, and the results are ridiculously good. According to a mutual coworker, it's been driving Le Chef crazy. But until he decides to man up and ask for a mini lesson on ice cream science, I'm just going to keep improving.